is eat special recipe. It will double your excitement. It's so yummy chocolate. Try my recipe. It's so yum and delicious. I also like and subscribe my channel. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Let's start the recipe. Step number 1. We need some milk. We need some cocoa powder and sugar. Cocoa powder milk mix with sugar. Cocoa powder first. I put there are you and this. Mix it well and properly. So yummy chocolate. So yummy chocolates. Step number 2. We need whipping cream, sugar, cocoa powder. Mix cocoa powder, sugar with cream. First cocoa powder. Tick 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 tick. And first sugar. Wow. Ooh, really good. Ooh, really good. Mix it well. Mix it well. Step number 3. We need some bread. Put chocolate syrup, bread. Put cream in the bread. Cakes. We are making cakes. Yummy yum. Done. Put slice over there. And press it with both hands. Again, put chocolate syrup on the bread. Wait, I am making the cake. Again, put cream over it. Chewy, and chew. What the cake? Be the same in process. I will put it. You cover with creams from our sides. Inside and upside. Yummy son. Decorate with ice cream. Decorate with cream and cherries. It's so yum. It will be so yum. I will eat it all. So yummy. You also try it. I don't give it to you that. Enjoy the cake. Make this cake with your mommy. Enjoy it. Eid Mubarak. Love you all. Bye-bye. See you soon with new recipes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye bye.